Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, July 11, 2023 on our channel. SANHUA launches Braze plate heat exchangers, BPHEs. FARRAR's ULC 190 enables McArdle Skeath -80 degrees Celsius storage in country. Large heat pumps, the future-proof technology for the new industrial revolution. Caverion continues as a partner for Telia in data center maintenance in Finland. ASHRAE concludes successful 2023 annual conference in Tampa. Copeland Innovates integrated scroll compressor solution to enable quieter heat pumps. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. SANHUA launches Braze plate heat exchangers, BPHEs. The most direct and effective way to save energy is to improve the efficiency of systems. Compared with other heat exchangers of the same purpose, properly designed BPHEs can provide higher heat transfer efficiency and lower pressure drops. SANHUA have obtained EU PED certification and BPHEs work with fluid groups 1 and group 2, including water, ethylene glycol solution, common HCFC, HFC, HC, as well as HFO refrigerants such as R410A, R32, R454B, R290, R134A, R404A, R507, R448A, R449A, R1234E, R1234Z, R452A. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. FARRAR's ULC 190 enables McArdle Skeath -80 degrees Celsius storage in country. FARRAR, our brand of Trane Technologies, is collaborating with McArdle Skeath to expand the third-party logistics, 3PL, supply chain management providers' capabilities to -80 degrees Celsius ultra-low temperature storage at its Dublin warehouse. The ultra-low temperature storage capability is believed to be the first life science solutions -80 degrees Celsius storage capability available in Ireland. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Large heat pumps, the future-proof technology for the new industrial revolution. As the world strives to fight climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the decarbonization of industrial heat supply has become a top priority. With the growing deployment of advanced clean energy technologies, such as large-scale heat pumps, there is newfound hope for decarbonizing manufacturing processes, in line with the EU's 2050 net zero target. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Caverion continues as a partner for Telia in data center maintenance in Finland. Telia Finland and Caverion continue their partnership in data center maintenance. During the extended agreement period, Caverion is responsible of the maintenance of Telia Helsinki data center and other Telia's large and medium-sized data centers in Finland. Telia's hundreds of data centers located in different parts of Finland are critical for communications traffic. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. ASHRAE concludes successful 2023 annual conference in Tampa. The 2023 ASHRAE annual conference, held in Tampa, Florida, concluded on June 28 with resounding success. The event brought together industry leaders, researchers and professionals in the heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration, HVAC and AMP, industry to exchange knowledge, explore advancements, and foster collaboration. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Copeland Innovates integrated scroll compressor solution to enable quieter heat pumps. At the 20th European Conference on Refrigeration and Air Conditioning in Milan, Italy, Copeland presented innovative technology and complete compressor solutions that enable exceptionally quiet operation. With the help of the new Copeland YHV-RG and YHV-RT scroll compressors, original equipment manufacturers can develop efficient heat pumps that meet the particularly high requirements for low noise in the residential sector, but without the need for elaborate sound insulation. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.